Welcome to the Skilled MBA Entrepreneur Learning Series. In this session, we explore Amazon's fight against middle management and how CEO Andy Jassy is reshaping leadership at one of the world's largest companies. Andy Jassy took over as Amazon CEO in July 2021, inheriting a company known for its rapid expansion. But unlike traditional corporations, Amazon follows a unique leadership philosophy. 1. No fiefdoms. Success isn't about building big teams for power. 2. No awards for large teams. Bigger isn't always better. Efficiency is key. 3. Results over hierarchy. The best leaders achieve more with fewer resources. Amazon Web Services, AWS, proves the power of small teams. Some of AWS's biggest innovations began with just a dozen people. In 2024, AWS hit a historic $107.6 billion revenue milestone. Amazon's success is backed by hard data. $638 billion in total revenue in 2024, $107.6 billion from AWS alone, 19% year-over-year growth. Despite this massive scale, Amazon maintains its startup-like culture by encouraging small autonomous teams, avoiding unnecessary bureaucracy, rewarding innovation, not hierarchy. September 2024. Andy Jassy announces Amazon's plan to reduce middle management by March 2025. The goal? Increase the ratio of individual contributors to managers by at least 15%. Morgan Stanley predicted up to 13,134 layoffs from Amazon's 105,770 total managers. Many feared mass job losses and disruptions in leadership. What actually happened? No mass layoffs. Some managers were demoted instead of fired. Teams were consolidated to improve efficiency. Amazon achieved its goal without major disruptions. Amazon's approach to middle management reduction. 1. Team consolidation. Merging overlapping departments to eliminate redundancy. 2. Manager demotions. Reassigning managers into more hands-on roles. 3. Structural changes. Streamlining reporting lines without eliminating jobs. Amazon manager. Compensation. The average Amazon manager earns $133,933 per year. Challenges managers. Face 1 in 3 managers feels unprepared for leadership. Deloitte. 40% of a manager's time is spent on administrative tasks, not leading teams. Why is this a problem? Managers often lack proper leadership training. Too much time is wasted on reporting and bureaucracy. Amazon workforce breakdown. Q4 2024. 1.55 million employees, total 350,000 corporate employees. Majority in operations and fulfillment. Return to office, RTO issues. Not enough desks for employees. Parking shortage, 2,000 people, 900 spaces. RTO policy launched in January 2025. Amazon believes in running like a startup even as a trillion-dollar company. Key principles: agility, quick decision-making. Innovation, encouraging new ideas. Lean teams, achieving more with fewer people. Advantages of fewer managers. Faster decision-making. Less approval needed. Better communication. Fewer layers. Clearer direction. Cost efficiency. Less overhead. More investment in innovation. Increased collaboration. Teams work directly with leadership. Amazon's push against middle management reflects a broader tech trend, with many companies questioning traditional hierarchies. Amazon measures leadership effectiveness through results delivery, achieving goals with fewer resources, innovation rate, the number of new ideas generated, resource efficiency, maximizing productivity. Small teams drive innovation. AWS's biggest successes started small. Flatter structures enhance efficiency. Amazon achieved its 15% goal without mass layoffs. Leadership is about results, not about managing large teams. Thank you for being part of the Skilled MBA Entrepreneur Learning Series. Amazon's transformation offers valuable lessons for businesses striving for efficiency and innovation.